Hello, and welcome to another edition of Ask AJS Accountants. Earlier this week, a prospective client who had just set up her own new business asked when any of the tax may be due for payment. This is quite a common question for new business owners as they try to understand what tax liabilities they may have and when they are due. So in the next few minutes, we'll go through what taxes may be payable and when these liabilities will be due. Small and medium-sized limited companies may be liable to corporation tax on their profit. This tax is payable 9 months and 1 day after the company's year end. For example, if a company has a year end of March, the tax is payable by 1st of January the following year. Large companies must make payments quarterly towards their corporation tax liability. If the company is VAT registered, then any VAT liability is due 1 calendar month and 7 days after the period end. If the direct debit is in place for the company, then usually this is taken a further 3 days later. If a company has its own payroll, then any PAYE and national insurance payments are due by the 22nd of the following month. If you are a director of a company or a sole trader, then you will need to complete a self-assessment tax return. These returns always cover the tax year which runs to the 5th of April each year. Any tax that is payable is due by 31st of January of the following year. In addition to this amount, individuals may also need to make payments on account for the next tax year. These payments are due in January and July. Traditionally, any capital gains tax was payable alongside any self-assessment tax by the 31st of January the following year. However, from April 2020, HMRC have introduced a real-time capital gains service. This allows individuals to pay the tax on any gains as they arise. However, for most gains, you can still pay alongside your self-assessment tax. Any gain on UK residential property since the 6th of April 2020, the tax must be paid within 30 days of the transaction. Thank you for watching. Please contact us for any further information.